Hi and welcome back for my final daily report market analysis video with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec, on Monday the 7th of December. Now, the DAX has been slipping a little bit. It's interesting that the DAX has not been able to continue to run higher. Other equity markets, FTSE, for example, is breaking out. S&P 500 looks strong still. DAX hasn't done that, and it's actually testing support levels. And you can see here on the chart, on the slide, that we're still sort of trading around that 13,200 area. Just 230 was a closing breakdown, and if that continues to close between 230, I think that really does suggest that the correction momentum is building. We've got that on the daily chart where we had these three strong negative candles in a row, and the market pulled back into this sort of breakout area of support. That has essentially held with the positive session on Friday, but it's again testing lower this morning. You see here on the 4-hour chart, it's sort of opened lower, found the support around the 13,215 area, and then rebounded, but it is still testing that level, and you need to zoom out a little bit to get a better gauge of the hourly support area around this sort of 13,200 area. And if this continues to sort of test to the downside, this becomes a big top pattern, and we could start to turn corrective. And you need to see the DAX sort of breaking back above this area of resistance. I'll get the crosshair where we're looking at around the 13,300 mark to 13,315, 13,25. That band of resistance really does now need to be taken out. Otherwise, we are starting to mount this corrective pressure. You can see the hourly RSI doesn't look all that great, sort of faltering under the 55 mark now. Again, if I zoom out a little bit, you can get a gauge of this being a top pattern if it really does start to trade decisively below this band of support around the 13,200, 13,225 mark. So clearly this is still at risk of turning corrective, but not quite managing to sort of gain the traction either way at the moment. And we're still looking for this support, zoom out, to hold for now, because I mean other equity markets are still looking positive. But the threat of correction on the DAX is growing, and we need to just be careful of that. A move below that reaction low from last week, 13,175, really I think would open up 13,000 area of support. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.